Scoring big in English. Understanding. Score a touchdown. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that combines language learning with the thrill of American football. Score a touchdown. Whether you're a sports fan or just keen on enriching your English vocabulary, this video will tackle the meaning, usage, and context of this popular expression. So, let's get the ball rolling and explore how scoring a touchdown can be more than just a sports term. Score a touchdown consists of two main parts: score and a touchdown. To score, in general English, means to gain a point, win, or achieve something. In the context of American football, it specifically refers to earning points by successfully completing certain actions, like carrying the ball into the opponent's end zone. A touchdown, on the other hand, is a way of scoring in American football. It happens when a player takes the ball across the opposing team's goal line into the end zone, earning 6 points for their team. This moment is often the climax of a play and is celebrated for its difficulty and the skill required to achieve it. In everyday English, score a touchdown goes beyond the literal sense of scoring in a football game. It's used metaphorically to describe achieving a significant success or making a major accomplishment in various aspects of life. For example, if someone says, "I scored a touchdown on my exams," they mean they performed exceptionally well, not that they brought a football to their test center. This expression can be applied to personal achievements, business wins, academic successes, and more. It encapsulates the feeling of triumph, the culmination of hard work and strategy, much like in the game itself. Understanding score a touchdown also offers insight into American culture, where football holds a significant place. The term reflects values such as teamwork, determination, and the celebration of achievements. Knowing these expressions can help non-native speakers connect more deeply with English-speaking cultures, especially in contexts where sports and everyday life intersect. Congratulations! You've just scored a touchdown in learning English expressions. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you a glimpse into the cultural nuances that make language learning so exciting. Whether on the field or in your language journey, remember that every effort counts and can lead to big wins. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.